We're sitting here in the brand new SVJ.
Ryan, I matched the car. We need to buy it.
All right, guys, we're sitting here in the brand new Pininfarina Battista.
What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today's an exciting one because well, this is my wife Anastasia.
Hi.
And it's her birthday for one. She's turning 25. We won't tell you her real age yet, but we are on our way to Vancouver. Ryan and Paige already left earlier. They got the earlier start than we did. So we're gonna make up lost time. We're gonna head there and we're gonna get up some fun things over the next couple days. I think it's gonna be good. What do you think?
I am so looking forward to this.
Yeah, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a fun trip, guys.
All right, guys, we finally made it to Luxury Supercar Weekend. We're here. The drive was awesome. We got our wristbands, so we're ready to go see some cool cars. So let's go. All right, here we are in the new Karma. It's a four-door car. Maybe this could be the new Babymobile for little model Paige because she hates the Spada so much.
I actually really like this car. It's super fancy. Lots of screens. I think it's electric and gas. I don't know though.
Smell the leather in here. It smells of like fresh cows. So to prove that this is a family mobile, we've got a kid in the back. Check this out. Wait, what's your name, dude?
Tristan.
Do you like this car?
Yeah.
Would you go to school in it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do
I
you?
make cup holders, and I like this stuff, and I like these because it has things you can put it in.
What would you put in there?
My iPad.
Yeah.
I can put my pluggo in there.
Yeah, you could.
There's one for each too.
All right, little model Paige, what do you think?
I like this one. What do you guys think? Should I get this one for the new Babymobile? Push present. Push present.
I don't think so. A Spada all day long. Out of all the cars at the show, the Koenigsegg is my all-time favorite. I love these cars so much, and this one's spec'd so cool. I did get to sit in this one at one time, and I absolutely love it. Red interior, it's so sick. One day, one day.
All right, guys, I found my car that I would buy. It's the same colors as the Espada, so I think that's kind of a fair trade. I'll literally not have children if we can have this car instead.
Hey, wait a minute. What about this no kids thing? Come on now, stop that. That's silly talk, silly talk. But we'll take a Pagani as well. A Koenigsegg and a Pagani, baby seats in both. Perfect, right there. We're good, we're golden.
We still can't go anywhere as a family.
Yeah, we take both cars.
No, let's ditch the kids idea and just have two cars. We'll sell the rest of the collection too.
No. Okay,
All the collection can
stop
go.
it. Okay, Thule box on the roof. Put the kids in there.
Oh my God.
There we go. We're all good.
Does a stroller even fit in a Thule box?
We'll buy one when we get there. This show is not all about cars, it's also about planes. So if we want to try and fly around as a family, maybe we get this Icon plane and we can fly from Kelowna to Vancouver to LA to Palm Springs to Phoenix, Scottsdale.
I've seen the way that you drive cars. I am not getting in a plane with you driving or piloting that.
Come on, I got half a pilot's license. I quit because I failed,
Half.
but I got half a pilot license.
Oh, half. So we'll get halfway there.
All right, we're sitting here in the brand new SVJ, and it's sick. Like, this thing's so cool. I need to know more about this.
Hey everybody, my name is Lawrence. I'm the service director at Lamborghini Vancouver. Thank you, Ryan. This is awesome. Love the channel. Thank you. It's a huge pleasure. The SVJ, Lamborghini Super Veloce Jota. Jota is the letter J in the racing specs. Basically, in Formula One racing, J is for racing, it's where all the rules are. This thing, the biggest difference between this car and the SV is ALA. Obviously there's a bump in horsepower from 750 to 770, 20 horsepower. But the biggest thing is the ALA, the Lamborghini Active Aero. Basically, you have two front flaps that open and close independently and one big one in the rear. The rear spoiler is actually hollow and it can direct the air left and right independently, so when you're turning, it can give more downforce on one corner and less downforce on the other corner.
That's so cool. And is that why it actually set that Nürburgring track ring record?
Huge record.
Yeah.
Basically, a few years ago, the Porsche 918 was the fastest car. 6:57 on a Nürburgring.
First car to break 7 minutes, wasn't it?
I believe so.
Yeah,
That's
something
right.
like that. If it's not, you guys just keyboard warrior, put it in below. Let us know what the first car was to break 7 minutes.
Now that's $1 million plus car.
That's crazy.
This car beat it by 13 seconds.
That's just unreal. Like, to 13 seconds, seriously, if you think about that stat, it is absolutely unreal that this car could do that. Like, go that fast on the track. It's crazy.
Exactly. From 6:57 to 6:44. Wow. Huge. Naturally aspirated, no electric boost.
Cool. You know what? Thank you so much for giving me some insight to this car. I think it's absolutely amazing. I don't think I'm gonna get one because I do love my SV. My SV, I just hit 45,000 kilometers on it. I bought the extended warranty from this guy, so I got 5 years unlimited mile warranty. So I'm gonna mile that sucker out, and then we'll see what comes down the pipeline. We're gonna go off camera, and he's gonna fill me in on the brand new model that replaces the Venture. So.
All right, guys, I got the key to the new Evo. It's actually a Roadster, which is super cool. I didn't know that they made them Roadsters right away when they made this one. So I'm gonna sit in here with my good friend Meg from Lamborghini Vancouver, and she's gonna tell me some stuff about the car. So yeah, first things first, doors look a little different. Whoa, do you guys see that? Opens up. Oh. I thought the doors were gonna go up.
Hey girl,
How's it going?
well, you know what? I can't think of a better ride for us to cruise down Robson with.
I know, I love the interior of this. Like, what is this called? Do you know?
Carbon.
Carbon? I like this carbon. I like the red and black.
I thought that the red looked really sharp as well with
Yep.
the blue.
So,
I've actually been recommending this vehicle for anyone over 6 feet tall.
anyone over 6 feet tall watching the channel, this is a great Lamborghini for you to choose.
He said he wouldn't fit in that one. So I'm like, well, we have makes and models for everybody.
Yeah. Do you know what I noticed though is that I feel like I'm a very short, I'm like 5'3", I'm super short. I know I look really tall when I'm not wearing much clothes, but I'm not, just kidding. It's the heels, no. But my head feels like it's over the roof.
Okay, well then what do you think for me?
Your head, you are.
I am. Okay, so it's made for 5'10" women as well?
Yeah.
I guess I wouldn't fit in that.
No, but when I'm in the, like the SV, what is it? What's Ryan's got? The Aventador? Oh my god, I suck so much.
Oh, I'm so glad.
When I'm in the Aventador though, it feels like it's way higher up. Is this a lower profile car?
You are asking the wrong human.
Feels like it. It feels smaller too. Is it a smaller car? You guys comment below and tell me, because apparently I don't know these things. Just going by feeling, and I also thought the doors went up, so my feelings aren't very good.
I think it's a terrible rendition that I'm wearing a Lamborghini.
Shirt. I like that shirt though. Alright guys, tell us what you think of the new Evo. Would you buy one? What would be your Lamborghini that you could pick if you got to choose? I kind of like this one, but I feel like it's like for girls. Like this one was made for girls. Everything's like super sexy and slim, and
That's a perfect way to describe it. It's so sexy.
yeah.
And you match.
Ryan, I matched the car. We need to buy it. Alright guys, we're sitting here in the brand new Pininfarina Battista. I probably butchered the pronunciation of that, but this is Luca.
Hi guys, I'm Luca, head of digital at Automobili Pininfarina. So I mainly take care of digital communication, content production, cool partnerships, so I got a cool job to do.
You sure do.
So you know, Pininfarina has been a brand that has been around for 89 years. We're going for 90 years anniversary actually next year. And it has a huge design heritage, obviously. You know, I like to say that it made the history of automotive design.
For
I mean,
sure.
the brand designed more than Pininfarina designed more than 60 Ferrari, plus all the one-off. As well, I think one model of Rolls Royce, iconic Maseratis, such as Maserati GT, Maserati Birdcage. So, you know, it has a great portfolio of design, Ferrari Modulo, and you know. Automobili Pininfarina is born with the goal of putting the badge from the side to the front, and this is why we're here.
Yeah,
today,
the cars are actually absolutely stunning. They're so beautiful, and I love how they're just so driver focused. So we see this car now, but where is this brand going in the future?
So obviously, I can't disclose too much, but what I can say
I'm
is
trying to get the secrets out, guys. I'm trying.
we have long-term plans. We're not here just with the Battista, but we have many things coming up. We have an amazing team of designers, engineers there, and we keep them busy. So there are going to be many cool things.
Yeah.
They're going to be seen in the future. And it's not going to be even too far, you know, maybe 1, 2, 3 years, we'll see.
That's so exciting
but,
that this brand is all of a sudden come to market, and you've got such an exciting future ahead of you because you've got so much of that history, the passion, the detail that you guys have. These cars are just stunning, and I love how you guys are doing the two-tone interior, two-tone exterior, and it's all owner focused. The owners get to focus on building the car to their spec. It's really, really cool.
Yeah, the goal was to create kind of two separate environments, you know, giving the driver a really cool experience and safe focus on the road, while the passenger can just sit back and enjoy the 1,900 horsepower. So credit to our design team and engineering team for that. They did a fantastic job. So it's truly Italian style and Italian spirit.
Well, Luca, thank you much for taking me through the car. It was great to meet you. Can't wait to see what you guys do in the future.
For sure.
Awesome. All right, guys, here we are with my buddy Kevin Gordon. He does the coolest thing in town here. Kevin, tell us about you and what you do.
All right, guys, I'm Kevin Gordon. I'm an entrepreneur turned philanthropist, and I'm the founder of the Driven Project. So as you can see, we've got a couple cars. We've got a supercharged Huracan Performante. We've got the supercharged R8 here. And I've got my team behind me right here.
Hey,
We've
girls, girls.
Stop your chit chat. We've got Melissa and Jill.
Yeah, little model Paige is eating her burger and dousing down a champagne. She's obviously not driving.
So Melissa and Jill help with the driven project events, getting kids into cars, and then we've got my operations assistant here, and Kimberly's going to be helping us throughout the day today as well. But really, the star of the show is always going to be the kids. Unfortunately, there's none here right now.
There's no kids here.
But the idea of the Driven Projects is to take kids who are battling life-threatening illnesses and take them out for a once-in-a-lifetime supercar experience. And then we've got the cooperation of law enforcement agencies and the cities to shut down the roads for us to make it extra safe and extra fun for them.
Which is so cool what this guy does for the car community and the children in need. And I can't wait to help him out one day, hopefully pretty soon in the future, because I want to be a part of this too. What you do is absolutely amazing. What she does behind the scenes, oh my God.
Absolutely amazing.
Yeah,
it's so impressive.
It's amazing
really.
too, but in a different way.
Yeah. It's very humbling to be in her presence, really.
Yeah. That's a skinny burger, right? It's a skinny burger she's eating. All right, peace out, dudes. We're just leaving the Luxury Supercar Weekend. We had a great time, saw tons of really cool cars, gave out some merch to some of our favorite fans. They follow us, they love us. Guys, what do we say for the channel?
Subscribe! Don't forget, tap that subscribe button.
So we just met Connor here. We randomly stopped, and he's a huge fan of ours. So
absolutely.
We have a shirt that fits him. We got a magazine, Autostrada magazine, so we signed it, gave it to him, and you're now in the vlog.
There we go. Get the limited merch while you still can, if you can.
Pretty cool. What do we tell all those kids that are watching this channel?
We tell them to, in the DDE way, smash that subscribe button.
You got
right
it.
now.
Let's do it.
Or don't forget to tap that.
We had so much fun at the Luxury Supercar Weekend, a little road trip away. It was absolutely great.
I love to meet some of our fans. That was awesome. And even some that weren't planned. We would go into like a turnaround area and someone would come running out. Got in a little bit of trouble with how loud the car was, but
it was all good. It was all for great fun. Glad you guys could join us on this adventure and can't wait to see you on the next one.
Until next time,
peace.
Don't forget.
Oh yeah, I always forget.
Tap that subscribe button, guys. Alright guys, if you're wondering how I get all of my outfits and shoes down for our road trips, this is how. I think it's big enough. It was only a weekend trip, but still.
Alright, wow. Can you stand on that? You're way too tall. I'm like, wow, it's
so down here and then over.
Giant Kevin Gordon. This is my friend, Giant Kevin Gordon.
Little model Paige in her happy place. Look at this, champagne, cheeseburgers.
This is the perfect pairing. If you want to talk about like wine pairings, I'm gonna go ahead and say that champagne and burgers, surrounded by beautiful cars, is the best pairing that a girl could ever have. It feels like the only time you'll see